Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fabrica Keto. Today we're gonna prep a delicious cheesecake with strawberry jelly. We will leave all the ingredients on the description below. First we're gonna start to prep our strawberry jelly low carb. To start with this we need a 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of water, and the juice of 1 lemon wedge. And we also will need 1 bowl of strawberries. Once we have all these ingredients on our blender or NutriBullet, we gotta blend just a little bit. But careful, just a little bit. We still want our jelly to have some little tiny strawberry bits, as you can see in this video. Once we blend these ingredients, we have to preheat our pan in a medium temperature and add our jelly mix. At this point, we're gonna need a 1/2 cup of sweetener of your choice. Mix a little bit and let it boil for like 10 to 15 minutes approx. This recipe will give us a total of 300 milliliters of the strawberry jelly. Once this starts boil, we're gonna let it boil for another 5 minutes. Then take it off from the fire and let it cool down. And here it is guys, that's how we got our natural and delicious strawberry jelly low carb. And now guys, get ready to start with our delicious cheesecake. First of all, we're gonna start with the cookie or the base of our cheesecake. For this we need 1 cup of almond flour, and a 1/2 bar of melted butter. Now we just gotta mix it really well. And now that our mix has this consistency, we're just gonna need one of these cheesecake pans. I like to use this one. It have a little lock on the back and it's easier to free your cheesecake. We're gonna put our mix and press it on this pan so we can make our cookie. Once we press all our mixture in this pan, we're gonna preheat our oven to a 350 to cook our base for like 8 minutes approx. And now we have to prep our cheesecake cream. To do this, we need 1 bar of cream cheese. Note, this was left at a room temperature for like 30 minutes so we can whisk it a little bit easier. We also need a half cup of heavy whipping cream. And keep mixing for approx 2 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. We're gonna be adding all of our ingredients partially. Now we need 2 eggs. Remember guys that keep mixing in a partial mode will give us a much creamier consistency to our cheesecake. And now guys, we just have to add a 1/4 cup of sweetener of our choice and keep mixing. At this point we gotta check our base or cookie on the oven and make sure that it's ready. And now that we got this out from the oven, we just gotta make sure that it's crunchy as we want it. So we can add our cheesecake cream. At this point we just have to make sure that our oven is preheated to a 350 and gotta be cooked for 25 minutes approx. And now guys, we're just gonna add our strawberry jelly to this cheesecake. As you can see guys, that's how easy we have a delicious cheesecake with strawberries. It looks and it smells delicious. I can't wait to taste it. Remember guys, if you want to lose weight while eating delicious, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that little bell on the corner so you can get notifications of our new recipes. This is Fabrica Keto. We will see you soon. Bye.